How to check if something is an empty, undefined or null string in JavaScript. Is there a simple string empty available in JavaScript, or is it just a case of checking for empty string? If you just want to check whether there's any value, you can do if string value do something. If you need to check specifically for an empty string over null, I would think checking against a blank string is your best bet, using the equals operator, so that you know that it is, in fact, a string you're comparing against. Example. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.